How to change phone number in Grab account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number in your Grab account. First, launch the Grab app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, go to the Account tab in the bottom bar. To change your phone number, tap the pen icon right to your account name to edit account info. Now, you will see the mobile number field here. Next, remove the current phone number from the field. Then select a country code correctly from the drop-down list. After that, enter a new number you want to continue with. Once you're done, tap the Save button to apply changes to your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.